Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Learning. I'm Mark.
And I'm Anna. Hello, everyone.
How are you today, Anna?
I'm feeling good today, thank you. And you, Mark?
I'm great. I'm excited about today's lesson.
Me too. What will we learn today?
Today, we will learn how to talk at the doctor's office.
Oh, that's very important. Sometimes we get sick and need to see a doctor.
Exactly. Everyone needs to visit a doctor sometimes, so we need to know the right words.
Yes. What if I have a headache or a cold?
Then you go to the doctor and explain your problem. We will learn how to do that today.
Perfect. So, what will we do first?
First, we will listen to a conversation. You will go to the doctor in our story today.
Me? I'm going to the doctor?
Yes, in our story, you're not feeling well. You go to see Dr. Smith.
Dr. Smith. Okay, I'm excited to hear this conversation.
After we listen, we will talk about it. We will explain all the important words and phrases.
That's great. Our listeners will understand everything.
Yes, we will make it very easy. But before we start, please help us.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
And click the like button. It really helps us a lot.
Share this podcast with your friends who are learning English too.
Thank you so much. Now, are you ready to visit the doctor, Anna?
I'm ready. Let's listen. Hello, I have an appointment at 2 p.m. My name is Anna Brown.
Hello, Anna. Nice to meet you. I'm Dr. Smith. Please sit down.
Thank you, doctor.
So, Anna, what's the problem today? How can I help you?
I don't feel well. I'm sick.
I see. Can you tell me your symptoms? What do you feel?
I have a headache. My head hurts a lot.
A headache. Okay. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I have a sore throat. It hurts when I swallow.
A sore throat, too. And do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel very hot, and I'm very tired.
When did you start feeling sick?
3 days ago, on Monday morning.
3 days ago. And is it getting worse?
Yes, it is. Yesterday was very bad. Today is a little better, but I still feel sick.
I understand. Let me check your temperature. Please open your mouth.
Okay.
Yes, you have a fever. Your temperature is 38.5 degrees. That's high.
Is that bad?
It's not too serious, but you need to rest. Let me look at your throat now. Open wide, please. Yes, your throat is very red. You have an infection.
An infection? What should I do?
Don't worry, it's not serious. I think you have the flu.
The flu? What's that?
The flu is a common illness. Many people get it. You feel tired, you have a fever, a headache, and a sore throat.
Oh, I see. How long will I be sick?
Usually 5 to 7 days, but you will feel better soon.
That's good. Do I need medicine?
Yes, I will give you a prescription. You need to take medicine 3 times a day.
3 times a day. After meals?
Yes, exactly. Take 1 pill after breakfast, 1 after lunch, and 1 after dinner.
Okay, I understand. For how many days?
4 or 5 days. Take the medicine for 5 days.
5 days. Got it. What else should I do?
You need to rest. Stay in bed and sleep a lot.
Stay in bed. Okay.
And drink a lot of water. Hot tea is good too. It helps your throat.
Hot tea. I like tea. Should I eat anything special?
Eat light food. Soup is very good. Chicken soup is the best.
Chicken soup. My mother makes good chicken soup.
Perfect. And one more thing. Don't go to work or school. Stay home.
Really? I should stay home.
Yes, you need to rest. And the flu is contagious. That means other people can get sick from you.
Oh no. I don't want my friends to get sick.
That's why you should stay home. Rest for 3 or 4 days.
Okay, doctor, I will stay home. I will rest.
Good. And if you don't feel better in 5 days, come back to see me.
Come back in 5 days if I'm still sick. I understand.
Here is your prescription. Take it to the pharmacy. They will give you the medicine.
Thank you, Dr. Smith. Where is the pharmacy?
It's downstairs on the first floor. Turn left when you exit this room.
Downstairs, first floor, turn left. Thank you.
You're welcome, Anna. Take care of yourself. Drink water, rest, and take your medicine.
I will. Thank you very much, doctor.
Feel better soon. Goodbye, Anna.
Goodbye.
And that was the conversation. How do you feel now, Anna?
I feel fine, Mark. It was just a story, but it was a very helpful conversation.
Yes, let's talk about it. There are many important words and phrases.
Yes, let's start from the beginning. I said, I have an appointment at 2 p.m.
Right. An appointment is when you plan to meet someone at a specific time.
Like a meeting with the doctor.
Exactly. You always need an appointment to see a doctor. You can't just walk in.
And I said my name. My name is Anna Brown.
Very important. Always tell them your name. Then the doctor said, "What's the problem today?"
Yes, this is a common question. The doctor wants to know why I'm there.
Right. And you said, "I don't feel well. I'm sick."
I don't feel well means I feel bad. Something is wrong with my body.
Perfect. Then the doctor asked about symptoms. Symptoms are the things you feel when you're sick.
Like a headache, a fever, or a sore throat.
Exactly. Let's talk about these symptoms. First, a headache. What's that?
A headache is when your head hurts. It's pain in your head.
Yes. And you said, "My head hurts a lot." This shows it's a strong pain.
Then I said I have a sore throat.
A sore throat is when your throat hurts. It's painful when you swallow.
Swallow means when food or water goes down your throat.
Correct. And then the doctor asked about a fever.
A fever is when your body temperature is too high. You feel very hot.
Yes. Normal temperature is about 37 degrees. You had 38.5 degrees. That's high.
The doctor also asked, when did you start feeling sick?
This is a very important question. It tells the doctor how long you've been sick.
I said 3 days ago, on Monday.
Right. And the doctor asked if it's getting worse. That means, is it becoming worse or better?
I said it's getting worse. Yesterday was very bad.
Then the doctor examined you. He checked your temperature and looked at your throat.
He said I have an infection. My throat was very red.
An infection is when germs make part of your body sick. It's common with a sore throat.
And he said I have the flu.
Yes, the flu is a common illness. You feel tired, you have a fever, and your body hurts.
Many people get the flu in winter.
That's right. Then the doctor gave you a prescription. What's that?
A prescription is a paper from the doctor. It tells you what medicine to take.
Exactly. You take the prescription to the pharmacy to get your medicine.
I need to take medicine 3 times a day.
After breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner for 5 days.
The doctor also gave me other advice. He said I should rest.
Yes, rest means to relax and sleep. Don't work, just stay in bed.
And drink a lot of water. Water is very important when you're sick.
Absolutely. And hot tea helps a sore throat. It makes it feel better.
The doctor said to eat soup. Chicken soup is the best.
Yes, chicken soup is famous for helping sick people. It's warm and easy to eat.
And I should stay home from work and school.
Yes, because the flu is contagious. That means other people can catch it from you.
I don't want to make my friends sick.
That's very kind, so staying home is important. Rest for 3 or 4 days.
And if I don't feel better in 5 days, I should come back to the doctor.
Correct. Always go back if you don't get better. The doctor needs to check you again.
This was very useful, Mark. I learned so many words today.
Me too. Let's review some important phrases. I don't feel well. I have a headache. My throat hurts.
Do you have a fever? When did you start feeling sick? Take this medicine.
Drink a lot of water. Get some rest. Stay home.
These are all so useful. Everyone should know these phrases.
I agree. Let's listen to the conversation one more time. Now you will understand everything.
Great idea. Listen carefully, everyone.